Can the torque pedal do to cycling what the clap skate did to speed skating? Is the torque pedal the most efficient way to propel a bicycle? My name is Ernesto Koemans, and let me explain. Here you see what looks like a cyclist on a normal bicycle on a normal home trainer. But when we zoom in, you see that this is actually the world's first torque pedal in action. This construction allows a torque on the pedal axle to be used to propel the bicycle. Let me explain the construction. The pedal is attached to the pedal axle through a one-way clutch. A chain gear is attached to the pedal axle. This is the crank. This chain connects the pedal gear to a gear that is attached to the frame and cannot rotate. The gear ratio is 1.25. When a torque is applied to the pedal axle, this will result in a reaction force in the chain. This reaction force can be dissolved into a force in the direction of the crank and a force propelling the bicycle due to the fact that the pedal gear is smaller than the gear attached to the frame. Here we demonstrate the working of the one-way clutch. On the downstroke, the cyclist pushes down on the heel and the one-way clutch engages. At the end of the downstroke, the one-way clutch disengages and the cyclist can perform the upstroke. Let's do an experiment. On the rear wheel, we have attached a piece of wood that pushes down on a scale when a force is applied to the pedal. When we hang a weight of 5 kilograms on the pedal axle, the force of the scale gives a reading of 1.42 kilograms. This represents a normal pedal construction. When we hang the same weight on the heel position, we generate a torque on the pedal axle and then we get a reading of 1.76 kilograms. That's a difference of over 15%. That is significant, and no one has its thumb on the scale. We have measured the forces at different angles of the crank and plotted them in a graph. The torque pedal offers a constant improvement of the drive force over the whole range of the downstroke. These measurements can be confirmed by calculations, and the Department of Biomechanical Engineering from the University of Twente assisted us with these calculations. Using the free body structure method, we can calculate the drive force in the drive chain. We have plotted the graph of the torque pedal and compared it to the graph of a normal pedal construction. This is consistent to the measurements. In conclusion, the torque pedal can offer an enhanced way of using the leg muscles to propel the bicycle. So, is the torque pedal the most efficient way to propel a bicycle? What do you think? Thanks for watching, and leave a comment what you think of the torque pedal. As a school science project, we've made a complete research report of the torque pedal. If you would like to receive the full report on the torque pedal, please send me a request for the report at torquepedal@gmail.com. It's flashing at the bottom of the screen as well. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.